Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Swarag Beauty Channel. So today we're going to share with you the process that we undertook to remove the wallpaper and paint the walls. This is our first time doing that, where we are actually scraping off the wallpaper. It doesn't come off easily, so we had to apply a technique to get it out, and then obviously we want to make sure that we paint the walls, and the wallpaper is old, so it doesn't give the home a fresh look. By removing it and repainting it, I think it's going to give this home a really nice look. So my husband here is using this solution. What is this?
Just warm water and little bit of vinegar and detergent.
Okay, so he's basically, this is a mixture of warm water, vinegar and detergent. So he's spraying the walls, as you can see. Once he sprays the wall, the wallpaper should come off fairly easily, and you still see some bits and pieces, so we have to do it more than once, right? So it's not like a one-time deal. Yeah, little by little, he says. But this home has a lot of wallpaper, so this is a pretty significant project for us. So you can see how, he sprayed it. So does it need to dry?
Just a couple of minutes. No need to dry.
No need to dry.
Yeah. If it dry, it's gonna be the same.
It's not going to do the job, basically. Okay, so he says not to let it dry while it's still wet.
If it dries again, you can
spray
more.
See, he's spraying more on tough spots to get it off, and then we're going to use, what is that thing that you're using to just a scraper?
Multi-tool for the scraping.
Okay,
for the
paint tool. Yeah, this is one of the paint tool that we have. So he's using it to peel it off instead of using the hands. I think this is going to take multiple tries, right?
Yeah, it's coming
See,
out
it's
now.
coming off very nicely. See how it peels off nicely? Yeah, but it just, yeah. Oh, very nice. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, this is our weekend project that we've undertaken. Okay.
Yeah, now it's
Oh, this
Now
looks
it's big
super. Wow. Look at that. That's a big chunk that you took off. What a relief it is. You just can see the wall behind. I don't even know why the wall has wallpapers, but anyway, probably it was the trend back in the day. But it doesn't quite work with the decor these days. Okay, see, another big chunk of wallpaper coming off so easily. This, I think, is the miracle solution to get wallpaper off. Water, vinegar, and detergent. Any specific detergent or whatever? Anything is fine. Dawn, is that what you used?
Yeah.
Okay. My husband used the Dawn detergent. Sorry, dishwasher solution. Okay.
Actually, detergent would be nice.
Detergent or Dawn, whatever, whichever works. We've used both, it appears. So, oh boy, that's fantastic. You need to have patience though, because you see all this. Do you think this will come off too?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay.
So, yeah, just focus on the wet area. If it dries again, you can
You can spray and yeah, right.
Dry.
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it. Oh boy, look at that. Look at that, guys. That's great. This is just one piece of wall, so we're not too worried about this, but I would have shown you, I don't know if it's going to be after this piece or before this piece of video, but the other room has a lot of wallpaper, so that's going to take some time, I think, considerable amount of time. Anyway, so we're going to keep doing this, and then once it's all done, I'm going to paint, and I'll show you guys the final look. This is the section of the house that has a ton of wallpaper. You can see how tall the walls are. So we need to put a lot of focus and attention on this side. So that's going to be another video that we'll be sharing shortly. But we just wanted to show you what we are dealing with. So this is the look of the wall after we removed all the wallpaper from it using the method that we shared with you earlier. So can you tell the subscribers what else you did?
Just to level it, I put some putty, and
Okay.
Now I'm
Smoothing it out. Okay.
I need to do some more little bit here,
Okay.
and I think up there I may have to do a little bit towards the edge.
Okay.
So
With that it will be done and we can...
Then it will be ready for painting.
Yeah. Awesome. And our dog, the giant schnauzer, is right with us here, enjoying the show. But this is the foyer walls that we've painted. I still have some edging work to do, as you can see. So I'll be working on that. And then hopefully we'll be fully wrapped up with all of the foyer walls, including this one. And here's our giant schnauzer. Are you enjoying the show? Are you enjoying the show? Yeah, you are.
This is Giant Schnauzer approved tester.
Oh my God. Yeah. The finished look. All of our efforts have paid off. You can see how nice it is, how even it is, and wanted to share that with you guys. So hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.